Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can change the Tradingview app into the dark mode. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, you need to open your Tradingview app. So once your app gets opened up, it will redirect you to this kind of page. So now simply tap on the menu option, and once you're here, tap on the theme option. So once you press on theme, you have to simply click on the dark option, and once you press on dark, your Tradingview app will automatically change into the dark theme, so you can browse it in the dark mode. So this is how you change into dark mode in the Tradingview app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.